Okay, so we didn't do an Nvidia update yesterday, so we have to do one today, guys. Break down the charts, how we're looking, and let me tell you guys, we're looking good. But first, don't forget to get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks. And right now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Use the link right down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's break down Nvidia, which now is at $146 per share. And last time I think we did an update, we were at $140. So, guys, we're breaking out. We're taking out that key level that we were talking about, $140, $141 per share. And this has a lot to do with Project Stargate is what it's called, right? The $500 billion, AI package or whatever you want to call it. That pushed a lot of these AI stocks up yesterday. We saw Nvidia up a good chunk yesterday. ARM Holdings, you name it. A bunch of stocks crushed it in the space. And yeah, Nvidia now is slightly down a little bit, but we're trading at $146 per share. And you guys can see we sold off a bit in the pre-market, actually right at open as well. We hit about $143, $144 a share. But since that point, clearly, voice crack right there, guys, almost. Since that point, buyers have come in and we're making higher highs, higher lows, the whole 9 yards here on the intraday chart. It looks pretty good, right? Maybe, just maybe, we go green by the end of the day. Now it's about, 2 p.m. East Coast time, and Nvidia is down about 0.5%. And it's been climbing, guys, like I said, all day. I wouldn't be surprised if it does go green, right? And here on the 5-day, 5-minute, you can see yesterday we hit $147, almost $148 a share. And we saw the pull down in the aftermarket yesterday, which led into pre-market today, like I said. And we held a higher low. Buyers came in. Boom, we held 143. Now we're starting to pop. And by the looks of it, again, this could go green. Heck, it might even test or take out the highs from yesterday, maybe at some point later today or at some point tomorrow, by the looks of it here. That is what could be shaping up. So I like the way we're looking on this 5-day, 5-minute. On the 30-minute chart, we're looking very good as well. I mean, guys, if I get the channel tool out, you guys can see we're very much so holding an uptrend, right? No doubt about it. And do you guys remember the ascending triangle we called out on the 4-hour chart? Well, that is pretty much now fully breaking out. Let me pull it up and show you guys. Let's do that right now. Let me show you this. You guys see that? So clearly higher lows are being made. They have been made. And now we're starting to take out 140, 141. We have been for a couple of days now. So yeah, man, this looks pretty good. It looks like we're, breaking out of 140, 141. We pulled down this morning, tested 143, pretty much 141, and we held it as support. Buyers came in. Now, guys, really the next main resistance is roughly 148, right? Right around the highs from yesterday. Then if that's able to break, 153, 154 is where we could be going. That is the all-time high for Nvidia. So I don't know about you guys. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to say this, but take a look. I don't know. Tell me, what do you guys think? To me, it looks like we're going all-time highs. I don't know about you, but to me, that's what it looks like, right? And I'm thinking if we take out 148, whether it's later today, tomorrow, next week, all-time highs are going to be coming shortly thereafter, right? Right after we pretty much hit that point or break out of that point, 148, 147. So I love the way we're looking here, guys. It's shaping up well, and this is why I was buying the dip at the end of last year at $130, you know. It's because I'm thinking this year my price target's 185 for Nvidia. I don't know if we hit that, but I think overall we're going to have a great year. Whether we go to 185, 175, 200 plus, who knows, right? It's going to be a great year. I just don't see Nvidia having a poor 2025. I just don't see it, especially because we were flat for a lot of last year. You might look at last year and be like, oh man, the stock crushed it, which it did overall on the year, but it didn't do much at all from June for the rest of the year from that point, right? From June to December, it didn't do anything. So I feel like now we're gearing up for that next leg up type move, kind of similar to what we got here. You know, we had a big move in May of last year into June. We went from $90 to about 130, 140. That was a huge move, right? I think something similar to that could play out this year, right? Where we get, let's say, a big move to 175, 180. Then we kind of coast there for a couple of months. Maybe we then go higher or not. We'll see. But I could see something similar playing out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm very curious. And by the way, did you join that email list yet? Yeah, I'm asking you right there. Yeah, you behind that camera. Did you join that email list? It's free, and I'm sending my top stocks every week right to your email. So guys, you have no excuses. Put your first name, put your email address using that link in the comment section and in the description box. Again, it's free. Get in there, guys. Cheers to that, by the way. I appreciate all of you for signing up to the email list. We have like 2,400 people in there now, and we have 50,000 subs almost here on YouTube, which is another big milestone that, I can't thank you guys enough for. It's been a great ride here on YouTube, and we're just getting started, baby. Let's go. So Nvidia, that's the breakdown there. And in terms of some other stocks here, guys, that are moving, we have OKLO, which we covered earlier a couple of times. We're not going to get into that one again, but that one's up a lot right now. Stocks like GameStop are moving today. It's been a while since we covered GameStop, but you know, it's, wow, it actually slipped a bit, a lot actually. Wow, from 35 all the way down to about 26. So we've dumped a good chunk over the last week or two on GameStop. We were at a point where we were holding an uptrend for a couple of months, you know, riding the moving averages on this 4-hour chart. Now we have a death cross and we're back under the moving averages, which is not ideal for, you know, at least looking at the charts, right? Based on the charts, not ideal, but who knows? Maybe it recovers back over 30. I think it needs to get back over 30 for the sake of the charts here. We shall see. I'll set my alert, might as well, because honestly, I don't check GameStop every day, so I'm probably going to forget about it, but I'll put my alert now at $30. Mark is at or above, and we'll see where it goes. And where the heck's AMC at these days? I haven't checked AMC in a minute. Yeah, $3.40. Yeah, slightly downtrending slowly. You know, it's getting closer and closer to zero here, guys. I don't know. I don't think it's going to go to zero, but it's not looking good. AMC was at $5 a couple months ago. Now it's back into the threes. Not the best look for this one. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap up the video. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Check out the link right down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, check out the link right down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.